Do you believe that there may be a universe on Earth? Universe that is much smaller than ours. In their world, we belong to a giant alien. It was the day of Alan and Anna's housewarming. Because they had been without a steady income, they were forced to move to a cheaper, older apartment. While they were doing some cleaning, they found an old refrigerator left by the previous owner. They decided to take a break with a little wine. They wanted to get some ice from the fridge, but when they opened the door of the fridge, it was a mess of frozen pile. Alan snapped a piece from the inside, but accidentally found a fly inside the ice cube. But if you look closely, it doesn't look like it. They got a magnifying glass to take a closer look. It was a mammoth carcass that had been pierced by a long stick. What the hell is this? They rushed to open the freezer to find out. Don't know if you don't see it. One look was a shock. Inside the refrigerator seemed to be a complete miniature human civilization. Frozen lakes, large forests, and some early medieval buildings. It was like a movie with a crazy fast forward. What was in front of them was beyond their comprehension. Closed the refrigerator for a moment to calm down, and when they opened the refrigerator again, they were stunned. Only 10 minutes had passed. Miniature civilization has rapidly evolved to the Industrial Revolution. And when they opened the refrigerator again, they were stunned. Only 10 minutes had passed. Miniature civilization has rapidly evolved to the Industrial Revolution. The smoke was rolling in. It was clear that this miniature civilization in the refrigerator and the outside world. Time does not flow at the same speed as the outside world. The time flow in the refrigerator is many times faster. The miniature civilization was developing so fast right under their noses. They seem to have opened up the perspective of God. They became the god of the miniature world, but that's not the case.
Look at these two douchebags staring at us all day.
I don't know. I'm tired of looking at that broccoli in her teeth.
By now it was a high-rise building. Obviously, it's evolved into modern civilization, and when Alan got his head close enough to get a closer look, a nuclear bomb suddenly detonated. Alan was blown up and fell down on the spot, turned into a big red face. It turned out that there was a world war in the refrigerator. They couldn't bear to see civilization destroyed by war, so they closed the refrigerator. They ordered a pizza and ate it. After an hour had passed, they could no longer resist their curiosity. They guessed that the miniature world should start to rebuild, or maybe disappear completely. But the moment they opened the fridge, both of them were stunned. The miniature world inside the refrigerator was not only not destroyed, instead, it had grown more prosperous. There are buildings full of technology everywhere. There were even flying cars. What is this? What does it mean? War can promote the development of human civilization? While the two were still speculating, the future of the real world, will it be like this too? Something strange happened again. A giant tower inside the refrigerator, continuously absorbing energy from outside, and then a violent explosion generated countless arcs of light in the air. Very beautiful. They were very happy. Hurried to look at the refrigerator, but found that the miniature civilization inside the refrigerator no longer existed. Is this what is called the ultimate destruction? Alan unplugged it in disappointment. But when they woke up the next day and opened the fridge, they found a group of apes eating a dinosaur and reincarnation. Who will be the master of this world?